Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Soundcore by Anker Liberty 3 Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. So I picked these up the other day. They were on sale for $99. Due to a tweet and retweets on Twitter, I found out about the deal for $99. So a big shout out to El Jefe, holla at your boy, and Grant likes. Grant retweeted their tweets, and I was able to get in on the $99 deal that they had going on. So a big shout out to those guys for putting that information out there. Now, I actually considered these a couple of weeks ago when I picked up my Apple AirPods 3rd Gen. There were a few things that made me decide not to get them, but at $99, it was a no-brainer to pick them up. Now, normally I have issues with the earbuds that go inside the ear chamber, but from everything I'm reading and the videos I've watched, they make these very easy to find a great fit for your ears. So I'm hoping that's what happens with these as well. So a few of the features and details of these, let me turn the brightness down a little bit. So these are going to feature the AC 2.0. That is their coaxial dual driver technology. Delivers high and low frequency sounds directly to your ears without interference. These are also going to have personalized noise canceling. That's the Hear ID ANC, analyze your ears and level of in-ear pressure to create a tailored profile that optimizes sound reduction and reduce external sounds to suit your ears. These also feature Fusion Comfort Fit with air pressure relief. You're going to get 4 sizes of ear tips and ear wings, so you're going to be able to customize them. That's what I'm looking forward to. Get up to 32 hours of playtimes, 8 hours of music from a single charge, and you get 3 full charges from your compact charging case. These also feature the LDAC technology, which is great for high-res audio. You're going to have Hear ID, 3D surround sound, multi-mode transparency mode. Now, I really need this. That's another reason why I picked up the AirPods over these. I don't like being closed off all the time from my surroundings, so hopefully the ambient transparency mode is good. You're going to have multi-point connectivity, so you can connect these to 2 devices and store up to 7 devices with the Soundcore app. Fully customizable audio and touch controls. Lightweight design, only 5.9 grams. These are sweat and water resistant, IPX4, and these also have crystal clear calls. You're going to have 6 noise canceling microphones to help eliminate background noise and focus on your voice. So those are a few of the features and details. So here's the box. You guys see a nice picture of the earbuds on high-res audio wireless. Some of the same stuff I've already read off. Here's the other side of the box. Here's the back. Now these are compatible with Android and Apple as well. There's an app that you can get by Soundcore. Now you're going to get the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros in here, charging case. You're going to get 4 sizes of ear tips, 4 sizes of ear wings, and your USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and crack the box open. All right, guys, back in. New unboxing knife on deck. Finally had to let go of the other one. These were actually given to me by a coworker a couple of years ago. They're going to be good for unboxing, so let's get this box open, guys. Now, let's put this up because it is sharp. All right, guys, so let's get the box open. Now, I watched enough videos to know that you're going to grab it from this side, and wow. So here's the presentation. Everybody seems to be wowed by this, and I am as well. So you got your 2 earbuds there, your charging case. You got your 4 different size ear tips, your ear wings. You're going to have some instructions over here how to get the perfect fit. And then on this end, Got a little packet over here that's going to have your charging cable and also your documentation in here, quick start guide, and other stuff in there that everybody's already seen because these have been out a while. I'm just late to the party. I'm definitely going to utilize the information here for getting the perfect fit. Probably going to start off with the smallest of everything that I need over here because my ears are pretty small. And here are the earbuds. As you guys see, it has a logo there. Just like, looks like a microphone. You got your pins for charging. I'm assuming this is for right, R2. And then you got your wing here, and this is where your earbud's gonna go. And you got R right there, and a red, and another little hole. I guess that's another mic. And yeah, these are nice, man. They're a little bit bigger than what I thought they would be. These are touch sensitive as well, so meaning you touch them to skip tracks, answer phones, calls, and things of that nature. And let's take a look at the case. So here's the case. It's black plastic filling. The back of it, you're going to have your Type-C charging port, button here for Bluetooth. And these slide, very nice slide, man, easy, real nice. Look like you got your LED indicators for charging or whatever on the front. On the inside of it, very shiny, marked left and right. Or there's an R there, but I don't see an L on that side. So let's see how these go in there, just like that. Just like so. And not very big, man. Let's take a look at it next to something like the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And the case is definitely going to be wider and bigger, but not really big. So here it is with my AirPods 3rd Gen. Now these are in a case, and you guys get to see. So these are magnetized in there, so not going to fall out. And like I said, these are a little bit bigger than what I imagined they would be, but I'm definitely going to try them out and see just how good these sound. Everybody's raving about them. I'm late to the party, but I'm here. Let me go ahead and get these fitted to my ears. I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about them. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have been using these for about 24 hours now, and I absolutely love them. I paired them up with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, installed the Soundcore app, which is a very robust app. As you guys see, you can see the battery percentage in your two earbuds and also your case. This app will do everything it can to make these, personalize these to fit your ears. So you have your ambient sound, different modes here that you can go into and select what you like. Now I told you guys I like to have transparency. I don't like to be closed off, and these did a great job. I tried the different ones here. Here, ID, ANC, normal, and transparency mode. I think the transparency mode was the best for me. I also went through the hear test right here. This went pretty in depth, man, and I think these customize my ears for personal use. And it's like I said, this app is pretty robust. You got your sound effects here, where you can go in and you can use presets. You can also customize what you want here with an EQ and just about everything you want on here. You got your different sound modes. You can set this in LDAC if you want. You got your controls here where you can set up how you want to tap on the controls and everything. Single tap, double tap, or hold for 2 seconds. More controls down here. You got wear detection. You're going to have your device list. I've used this for 2 different devices. You do have a fit test as well. So like I said, the app is very robust. I'm not going to go through the whole app, but there are videos out there that'll go through each step. I did receive 2 updates after I connected it. And yeah, so the app is very nice, guys. Now, let's get to the earbuds themselves. So go for comfort and fit. These were great. Now, I still have an issue with the little ear tips going in my ear. I don't prefer that style. But these, I'm using the smallest ones. And I'm also using the smallest wings to try and get these to fit as well as possible. And they did a pretty good job. I could wear them. I've been using them for 24 hours on and off. And they're pretty comfortable. My ears are so small, after a while, the tips become a little irritant to my ears. But as far as sound on these are the best sounding earbuds I've ever had. And I've had quite a few. I'm not an audiophile. I'm just telling you from my personal experience, these are the best that I've ever used. The bass, straight out of the box, will rattle you to your bones. The highs and the mids are great. The touch controls are great on here. Now, I made some phone calls. The phone calls weren't the best. I think my AirPods do a little bit better on phone calls, but as far as listening to music, different genres, these were excellent. I watched a few videos with these in on my iPad, and no latency, no issues at all. These are just great, man. A little big for my comfort. When you factor in the quality of sound that you're getting from these, the mids, the highs, the lows, the bass, whew, you can't go wrong with these, man. Have a nice little case here. These are wireless charging capable, so you don't have any issue with. You're not gonna have any issue with these charging, and these are just great, man. The case is not really big, and it's very pocketable as well. So Liberty Pro 3s. I think these are excellent. I'm glad I got them for the price that I got them. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.
Perfect.